Yo, everybody, what's up? This your boy D, back at it again. We about to get into the next step with these girls and get them in the home, get them set up, ready to go. Good old transplant. We're gonna sprinkle these girls in with some mycorrhizae. This is the red hot cookies run, an ice cream cake. Look at those roots. White, healthy roots. Just place it in there gently. Let it fall into place. You don't got to push down on it. Just backfill it in. Once you water it, and the roots stretch out a bit, it's going to make itself comfortable. And that's all you need. Simple as that. Just take it, put your 2 fingers in there and hold it and squeeze the bottom of the cup. And it should fall right out. You don't want to pull on it, because you pull on it, you just might snap that boy and break it. Just set it in there just like that. Backfill it in. You all set. And this third one is the ice cream cake. Turn it over. Give it a good squeeze and a push at the bottom. And she coming right on out. Those roots is real healthy. All right, simple as that. We got them in there. I'm not gonna mix up a solution. You know, we run Athena nutrients over here. I was about to say advanced nutrients. That was a while ago. Now we running Athena clean nutrient solution. Had good growth with it. All right, people, I'll get back to you in a minute. Peace. All right, everybody, we went ahead and got the nutrient solution mixed up. This run, we're using Athena, Grow, B, and A. Also the Cow Mag and the Cleanse. It calls for 11 milliliters. So instead of 11, we're going to use half of that. And I advise you to do that the same with yours. Always start off with half. Less is more. So we went 5 with the Grow B, 5 with the Grow A. I did 4 of the Cow Mag and 4 of the Cleanse. And one other thing, if you're using RO water, Athena do carry a balance. You put this in first before you put anything else in. That's if you're using RO water. And if you're not, it can also be used as a pH up. So let's check the solution. It should be at a 5.7, 5.8. Let's see what we got. It's up to 6. We're gonna bring that down a little bit. Oh, it's dropping on its own. 5.9. I'll take a 5.9. Okay. And then we're gonna check the EC. That's the strength of the solution. And as you can see, that's at a 1.2, between the 1.2 and 1.4. If you're using the 500 scale, that's 6 or 700 ppm. So we're good there. Always want to start low. All right, let's water these girls in. All right, we just gonna water these in. Give it about a liter for each plant before we cut on the auto pots. All right, and that's it. We're gonna let that sit for about 2 days. And then we're gonna cut on the auto pots. Hope you enjoyed it and got something good from it. Peace.